Repco 12-volt halogen globes are manufactured using only the highest quality materials. Featured in the range are Repco Ice Blue Globes with a white beam and slight blue tinge for better car aesthetics, giving greater clarity of the road ahead at night. Repco Intense Power Plus 50 globes provide up to 50% more light and improve night driving safety and comfort. And Repco Extra Power Plus 30 globes have up to 30% more light on the road, providing greater vision and visibility than standard replacement halogen globes. Covering over 80% of the car market, Repco Ice Blue Intense Power Plus 50 and Extra Power Plus 30 halogen globes match or exceed competitor brand manufacturing standards and are UV protected to ensure they're safe for use with polycarbonate lenses. Available in H1, H3, H4 and H7 globe types.